Meet Alex. Alex is a senior IT leader, and recently the game has changed big time. Today, more than ever, Alex is in charge of leading his organization into the future. The CEO is impatient to get there. The CFO wants to save money. And some users are resistant to change. Alex could really use some advice, but who can he trust? Everyone just wants him to buy something. But Alex knows that making the wrong investment could be disastrous for the organization, his team, and his career. Oops. There are many ways to get to the future, but some are better than others. Alex needs to solve this situation, and fast, to feel confident that he can lead his team across the abyss without anyone falling. But a big part of his technology stack will need to be reviewed. Who can he trust to teach him about transformative technologies? Alex suspects that analyst information is influenced by deep-pocketed vendors who just want to sell a product, not a solution. Instead, Alex really wants to learn from IT leaders who have already crossed the digital canyon. Computing's market intelligence service, called Delta, gives senior IT leaders award-winning advisory services based on thousands of surveys, focus groups, and live roundtables and virtual events. Very different from biased analyst opinion. Delta gives Alex and his team access to other CIOs just like him when he's got tough problems to solve. CIOs like Beth. Beth knows all about leading teams safely across the abyss, and Alex can trust her advice because she's not trying to sell him anything. She helps Alex make the right decision. But that conversation makes Beth realize she's crossed a lot of bridges and would love to build an aeroplane. That's the beauty of the Delta community. Whatever you're building, we've got an expert for that. And because there are no vendors involved, you can trust our community to give you the unbiased, unfiltered truth. Unbiased, unfiltered, up to date. That's the Delta difference. Lucky for Beth, Prem is a CIO who knows how to make her project fly. So cut through the vendor hype. IT is changing, so should your market intelligence supplier. Get a Delta demo and become a member today.